Dear friends, welcome to a personalized episode of Enlighten. Today we explore the latest in AI advancements, from OpenAI's enhanced enterprise offerings and wearable AI technology updates to the strategic tech partnerships shaping global influence. We'll also delve into innovative startups transforming code testing, data control, and sustainable food solutions. OpenAI has broadened its enterprise-grade features for API customers, enhancing Assistant's API and introducing security and cost management tools. The company has added Private Link for secure Azure cloud communication, alongside SOC 2 Type 2 certification, single sign-on, AS256 encryption, TLS 1.2 encryption, role-based access controls, and native multi-factor authentication. For HIPAA-compliant healthcare companies, OpenAI offers business associate agreements and a zero data retention policy. The Assistant's API now supports up to 10,000 files, with new functionalities like parallel queries and real-time streaming responses. A new feature, Projects, allows enterprises to manage access and control tasks more efficiently. OpenAI has also introduced cost management features, offering discounts for consistent usage and a 50% cost reduction for asynchronous workloads through the Batch API, which promises results within 24 hours but can deliver as fast as 20 minutes. These updates aim to provide a more efficient and secure experience for enterprises using OpenAI's services. The Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses, initially launched last fall as content capture tools and headphones, have now received an update introducing multimodal AI capabilities. This AI feature allows the glasses to process multiple types of information, including photos, audio, and text, enhancing user interaction by recognizing and providing information on objects, translating signs, and generating content such as Instagram captions. Despite some limitations and inaccuracies, such as misidentifying cars and plants, the AI proves to be a useful tool for identifying items and gaining information in real time. The glasses maintain functionality as a quality pair of headphones and a POV camera, with the AI addition serving as a convenient, albeit not flawless, enhancement. This update comes amid mixed receptions to AI gadgets, suggesting that while not perfect, the Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses represent a step forward in integrating AI into everyday wearable technology. Up next, we're exploring Apple's OpenELM launch. Apple introduced OpenELM, a collection of small, source-available AI language models designed to run on smartphones, marking a significant step towards on-device AI capabilities. These models range from 270 million to 3 billion parameters, offering proof of concept for potential future AI features from Apple. OpenELM, available under an Apple sample code license on Hugging Face, includes 8 models split between pre-trained and instruction-tuned versions, aimed at developing AI assistants and chatbots. These models were trained on datasets totaling around 1.8 trillion tokens, utilizing a layer-wise scaling strategy for efficient parameter allocation, leading to a 2.36% accuracy improvement over similar small models. Apple also released CoreNet, a training library and reproducible training recipes, emphasizing transparency and reproducibility in AI research. While cautioning about potential biases in outputs due to the public datasets used for training, Apple's move could enrich open research and pave the way for new AI features in consumer devices, with privacy-focused on-device processing. Microsoft unveiled Phi 3 Mini, a new AI language model that's both smaller and less costly than its predecessors, like OpenAI's GPT-4 Turbo. This model, with 3.8 billion parameters, can potentially run on smartphones and laptops without internet connectivity, making AI technology more accessible. Unlike larger models requiring substantial computational power, Phi 3 Mini's efficiency lies in its ability to operate on consumer-grade hardware. Microsoft has also developed a larger version, the Phi 3 Mini 128K, and plans to release even more capable iterations. The Phi 3 series claims to match the performance of significant models like Mixtral 8X7B and GPT 3.5, according to Microsoft's research. AI expert Simon Willison attested to Phi 3 Mini's effectiveness, noting its operation on minimal hardware, including devices as affordable as a Raspberry Pi. Microsoft attributes the model's success to the high-quality, carefully selected training data, aiming to reduce AI's environmental impact by potentially replacing larger, more energy-intensive models for everyday tasks. Phi 3 is available through Azure, Hugging Face, and Ollama, supporting local operation on various devices. The United States is intensifying efforts to counteract China's technological ambitions, focusing on the United Arab Emirates-based AI company, G42. This company, integral to the UAE's shift from oil to AI, is under the control of Sheikh Tahnoon bin Zayed, a prominent Abu Dhabi royal family member. G42 has previously raised U.S. concerns due to its connections with major Chinese tech entities, including Huawei, and potential links to the Chinese government. Worries included the transfer of advanced American technology to China and the accessibility of genetic data of millions to the Chinese government. In a strategic move, orchestrated by the Biden administration, Microsoft has entered into a deal with G42. This $1.5 billion investment aims to limit China's influence in the region, with G42 committing to use Microsoft's Azure cloud services and agreeing to an undisclosed security arrangement. This partnership marks a significant step in the US's efforts to maintain technological supremacy in the Persian Gulf and beyond. Microsoft is expanding its enterprise reach by partnering with Cognizant to promote generative AI use. Cognizant has bought 25,500 Microsoft 365 Copilot seats, aiming to enhance efficiency and customer experiences internally and across its global client base. This collaboration targets deploying Microsoft 365 Copilot to 1 million users across Cognizant's clients in various industries. Cognizant plans to invest $1 billion in generative AI over 3 years, enhancing AI skills for over 1 million individuals by 2026. Amidst CIOs' concerns about the return on investment and workflow integration of generative AI, this partnership could offer valuable insights and support. However, challenges such as AI accuracy, copyright issues, and the responsibility for AI-induced mistakes remain. Companies are advised to ensure human oversight and comply with copyright laws to mitigate these risks. This partnership between Microsoft and Cognizant might ease integration and adoption of generative AI in enterprise strategies, addressing CIOs' concerns about security and privacy. Next, we'll be discussing the impacts of toxic workplaces. The primary cause of toxic workplaces is managers favoring certain employees, as indicated by 46% of participants in a study by Into and Workplace Intelligence. Ignoring employee feedback was another significant factor, cited by 42%. Additionally, 39% of workers reported receiving poor career advice from their managers, finding more reliable guidance from friends, family, Google, social media, and generative AI. The survey highlighted a concerning trend. 63% of respondents believe their employers prioritize productivity over career development, with 54% feeling isolated in terms of career progression at their company. Furthermore, HR leaders anticipate that 25% of employees, including 44% of Gen Z workers, may resign in the next 6 months due to inadequate career development support. A separate study by LHH revealed that 46% of 30,000 employees across 27 countries are considering a career change but are unsure of the direction. Despite 86% expressing confidence in securing a new job within 6 months, nearly half doubt their manager's support for internal role transitions. And now, pivot our discussion towards startup stories. Nova AI, a year-old startup, is making waves in the generative AI and code testing arena. Unlike many startups following the Silicon Valley playbook of targeting small-scale projects, Nova AI sets its sights on mid-size to large enterprises grappling with complex code bases. This approach caters to sectors like e-commerce, fintech, and consumer products, where downtime is not just inconvenient, but expensive. The startup's product shines by automatically generating tests for its customers' code, leveraging Gen AI technology. This is especially beneficial in continuous integration and continuous delivery deployment environments, where updates are frequent and the margin for error is slim. Nova AI's technology was born from the founders' first-hand experiences in big tech, where automation and efficiency in code testing were paramount. What sets Nova AI apart is its cautious approach to using OpenAI's ChatGPT-4, opting instead to utilize open-source models like Meta's Llama and the community-driven StarCoder for its operations. This strategy not only addresses large enterprises' concerns about data privacy with OpenAI, but also proves to be cost-effective. By specializing and fine-tuning their models for the specific task of writing tests, Nova AI demonstrates that targeted open-source AI models can outperform broader, more generalized models like GPT-4 for specific tasks. Carv is a pioneering data layer platform that stands out by enabling users, including gamers and AI companies, to control and monetize their data in a privacy-preserving and regulation-compliant manner. This approach not only empowers users, but also provides valuable, actionable data for businesses. The startup offers 3 innovative solutions: Carv Protocol, Carv Play, and Carv's AI agent, Kara. These tools facilitate seamless integration of Web 2 identities with Web 3 tokens, cross-platform game distribution, and personalized gaming assistance, respectively. Unique to Carv is its creation of a unified user ID standard, ERC 7231, which bridges the gap between Web 2 and Web 3, allowing for effortless data portability. The company plans to use the new funds to expand its offerings. This includes enhancing the Carv portal and launching new features like CarvLink and Carv Database for improved identity and data management. Carv's value proposition lies in its user-centric approach to data ownership and monetization, setting a new standard in how personal data is leveraged in the digital economy. Playruo, a fresh startup founded by Fergus Lellouche, Jean-Baptiste Kempf, and Jannis Weinbach, is reinventing the way game demos are experienced. Unlike traditional cloud gaming that focuses on playing full games remotely, Playruo specializes in cloud-streamed game demos. This approach allows users to instantly play demos through a web browser without any installations, akin to sharing a Google Doc link. Playruo's technology, notably based on Kempf's Kyber streaming tech and leveraging open-source components like FFmpeg and libVLC, ensures a seamless gaming experience akin to local play. Playruo offers game publishers a unique tool to enhance their launch campaigns by embedding playable demos in video trailers or social media, making games more accessible and increasing the likelihood of virality and subsequently sales. The model is particularly innovative because it shifts the focus to making demos widely accessible and engaging, with the premise that a successful demo can significantly drive game sales. Playruo is already collaborating with Old Skull Games for the promotion of Cryptical Path, demonstrating the practical application of its service. Playruo benefits from extended engagement with demos, aligning its interests with those of game publishers looking to maximize exposure and interest in new titles. By utilizing public cloud services equipped with GPU-enabled virtual machines, Playruo aims to dynamically scale its infrastructure to meet demand, ensuring that gamers can access demos without encountering errors. Profluent, a Berkeley-based startup, is revolutionizing the field of genetics by leveraging generative AI technologies to edit human DNA. By inputting vast amounts of biological data into a large language model, Profluent has developed new gene editors that enhance the capabilities of the CRISPR technique. Their product, OpenCRISPR-1, stands out as the world's first open-source, AI-generated gene editor, designed entirely by AI to potentially offer more efficient solutions for disease prevention and treatment. Profluent's approach aims to produce gene editors that surpass the efficiency of current biological mechanisms, potentially leading to bespoke cures for various diseases. While still in the proof-of-concept stage and maintaining the secrecy of its AI technology, Profluent has made strides towards democratizing gene editing by open-sourcing its AI model. This move invites collaboration from the broader scientific community to refine and improve the gene editor. Despite the optimism, concerns remain about the safety and effectiveness of these AI-generated gene edits, especially regarding potential side effects like triggering cancer. However, Profluent views their innovation as a significant step towards building next-generation genetic medicines, encouraging the gene editing community to engage with and enhance OpenCRISPR-1. Now let's explore the future of sustainable food technologies. Edonia, a Paris-based startup, is revolutionizing the way we think about protein with its groundbreaking method of producing plant-based ingredients from microalgae biomass, specifically spirulina or chlorella. This innovative process, dubbed Edenization, transforms microalgae into a textured super ingredient that rivals meat in taste, texture, and nutritional value. With a protein content higher than ground beef and a significantly lower carbon footprint, Edonia's first product, Edo-1, offers a sustainable and nutritious alternative to ground meat, containing essential amino acids, minerals, and vitamins. Edonia is scaling up production to meet market demands, aiming for a full-scale factory within 2 years. The startup is already collaborating with food manufacturers to develop recipes and products featuring Edo-1, planning to launch commercially by the end of this year. Notably, Edonia bypasses the novel food regulations, facilitating a quicker route to market in Europe and ambitions for rapid expansion to other continents. The backing of French venture capital firm Asterion Ventures and BPI has positioned Edonia to advance its R&D and operational capabilities, setting the stage for a pilot plant and the scaling of its industrial processes. Recognized by French R&D chef Laurent Sicre, Edo-1's potential extends beyond meat alternatives to enhance the nutritional profile of a wide range of food products without compromising taste. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Innovation Pulse. If you enjoyed our insights and are eager to learn more, the Enlighten Me app is just a tap away. Expand your knowledge with personalized content on over 20 diverse topics, from crypto to health and beyond, all curated to fit your interests. Download the Enlighten Me app now at the Apple Store or Google Play, or visit the enlightenme.ai website. Stay curious, stay enlightened.